హాయ్ డార్లింగ్స్, చాలా తక్కువ టైం ఉంది. వీలైన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే
Okay, so the question is was it boring to see Prabhas and Rana for 250 days? Well, I worked only for about a year, so ఇంకా నాకు ఆ ఫీలింగ్ రావట్లేదు. బట్ మేబీ
నేను ఇంకా చెప్పలేను ఎందుకు ఇంకా పార్ట్ 2 ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా చెప్తే మళ్ళీ.
Question from Lokesh to Prabhas. How did you manage your physique for both the characters?
Can we answer? So 2.5 years of disciplined workout and diet, 365 days. 367 days.
And slaughter of lot of animals in his time. Which was the toughest phase in the whole Bahubali process? Pre-production, shoot or post-production?
If it's in case of SS Rajmouli, it's the planning of the pre-production, then the pre-production, and then the shoot, and then planning of the post-production and post-production.
For me, it was I had a sequence where I had to fight Prabhas, which is actually impossible, but I managed doing that. And Prabhas only taught me how to fight him. So yeah, that was the most hardest part.
According to you all, who's the better performer in the team? All the guys must answer.
Ramya Krishnan garu, Shivagami.
Even I think Ramya Krishna garu.
బల్లాలదేవ్, రమకృష్ణ, సత్యరాజ్ గారు, రాణా, స్వీటీ, తమన్నా, ప్రభాస్. ఇంకెవరు లేరు బాగా సినిమాలో.
Well, the question is to everyone, who is the one famous personality you want to show this movie to?
Rajnikant garu.
Tamanna.
I want to see it first, okay?
You're famous enough.
I want to see it.
Well, I showed the trailer to Mr. Bachchan yesterday, and that's the famous person I always wanted this film to be watched.
I want to show it to Rajnikant.
Question to Tamanna. Tamanna, a few words on Darling and Sweetie.
వాళ్ళ పేరే డార్లింగ్ అండ్ స్వీటీ. వాళ్ళ పేర్లా వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. వెరీ వెరీ స్వీట్ అండ్ వెరీ వెరీ డార్లింగ్.
Question 1. What is the main point that stuck in your mind to stick to the project Bahubali?
SS Rajmouli with a script like Bahubali.
SS Rajmouli.
Well, the greatest film ever made in India and Prabhas.
వెల్ అందరూ బాగా చెప్తారు.
Prabhas, at the peak stage of your career, wasn't it risky dedicating 2.5 years for Bahubali?
No, it's not risky for Bahubali. No.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's touched the heart again.
Done. Question from Prabhas. When are you getting married?
Soon, one fine day.
After Rana.
Rana, when are you getting married, Rana?
No one's getting married to me. That's the problem.
Sweetie, when are you getting married, sweetie?
Already, but quite a few times.
Question for Sweetie. Hey Sweetie, will you do Kannada movies?
Script ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Ammo, same to you.
Tell us one moment where you were irritated during the shoot. Be honest. All four must answer. You can never get irritated.
చెప్పలేని పరిస్థితి.
చెప్పలేను పరిస్థితి.
So poetic. Okay. So, well, there was this scene where it kept raining, and I really hoped that they would pack up, but they didn't pack up till very long.
When I had to go on a wheelchair to an action sequence.
Yeah, all my action scenes, you can say.
Question from Nazir. Prabhasana, which is your personal favorite role? Shivudu or Bahubali? నువ్వే చెప్తాను. శివుడు నువ్వే, బాహుబలి నువ్వే.
I like Bahubali better than Shivudu, I think. I don't know. I'm a little confused. I like both. Okay. Nice.
This is to the heroines of Bahubali. Who is the biggest flirt on the Bahubali sets?
For the girls and for the guys, everyone, it's only Rana.
Moving on. Next.